remember the Politricks wash. This is Sir P. Them say the circus is in Irie, man. The Suarez circus. Me I talk about a different circus today. I'm talking about the circus that took place in Spalding, Clarendon. 487s. Barricade themselves after big confrontation with the security forces. Jump on TikTok live, bawling and begging. Firearms were recovered. 4 firearms or 4 of them should be minimum 15 years each, but knowing the justice system, then probably just give the man them bail and make the man them run away and take the bad and never see them again. We have to go see how that work out. You can never tell with these people. Even they look like a shorty, you can catch them and them, and you still get away. But me have to talk about the circus, let me see. Man them go live. Things I remember that see, things I remember that hear. But I know you should know. Right, that's how we are going to start doing it for December. You might see me gone for 2-3 days, but then one day you see 2-3 video drop. Right. Make up for last time. As me say at December time no one time of the year we get to spend certain time with certain family. So all of the content them are making like one day. So you already know so multiple videos I drop today. Just like me telling you in the Blue Bandit video. So 87 jump on live. All kind of bawling. I said me telling you I want to be no bad man, you know. I want to be no bad man because you don't know a real bad man act like. Them telling you, oh, real bad man the business boy, no, real bad man the chick. If a boy want real bad, no, real bad man ball and big like baby. Quote unquote, real bad man only bad when time them have the gun in their hand and them have the upper hand. Don't get me wrong, you know, if bigger crime and Richie Blacks and Scott Warrior and them have the matic and you don't have none, when them done with you, then you cut off all your fingernails. Head gone, hand gone, I saw them stay. Brutal. No business about nothing. Hard, cold, hard, tough. But anybody can be strong when time them have the upper hand. And when them back against the wall, you start to see who make out a war. And we know these 87s make out a jelly. You must see coconut head outside look tough, you know. Outside tough, you have to go for one sharp loss. But when they reach on the inside of the coconut, squishy, soft. I can't believe I saw. Kill them and go out. I don't want to be the bad man. But till they say I saw them go on when time them under pressure. Watching that video at the 87 them, where them there on live, I have to admit, watching that video, seeing the kill them, I go on like them a newborn. I was flabbergastroenteritis. You might be asking now, which word that? Guy, it's not my fault if your parents them couldn't send you go big school, go learn big word. And not my fault you never go to the University of Winnipeg to learn them word. Flabbergastroenteritis. That's what I was. Observing the circus. You see, when them boy are all up on the road and them armed and you not, the baddest thing alive. Until you which party he come from, until you must dope him off. If you walk down the road, him and him friend them and you look on him a certain way, he quick for remind you who him be and where him deal. How much gun him bust and how much shot him fire. Until they say he come from Marshpen Top Bank. I ain't afraid of no boy. To him body don't even have to know God. I say him go on. When boss shot all day, all night. To him love badness, he make love to him rifle. I say him talk. Well, here was an opportunity Fi bust some more shot. Police them come for work. Security forces come for work. And you know want work. You left the work part way. When you worry about one little gunshot, you can't worry about one little gunshot. Enough gunshot to get people. Only can't worry about getting a little one shot. Look how much shot to get people. You can't take a one shot. Where them find them kill ya, man. I don't want me to kill him. I'll be a nerd. Because you see, through me a nerd, this is what me would I do. Because me have to go live and say, please, Lord have mercy, please, don't kill Lord have mercy. Because me don't depend on the kill thing. Me no wicked man. Me no rifle man. Me no bad man. But you are bad man, so do bad things. Run out now. That's what you do. Me see them all have rifle. Go and sit down on J for interview with rifle in a hand. So them stay, you know. Pose up. You look at dopey body, you go up on J for pose up with rifle. Oh yeah, pose up about you. Run out. Squaddy then come for work, you know. You've denied the man the chance to work. I have big rifle, all of it. But you see my pose up on the internet with all extended magazine. Magazine look like one banana from our country. Some big banana. I saw the magazine. Look on the AK. When you see him with the 6 pants, it all taller than him. Cause him only 4'2". Right. And the 6 pants, 6 foot tall. Extended pan extended. I saw him pose up on the gram. So him pose up on TikTok with it. And now him have a chance to run out. And make it work. I did it on live a ball. I'm flabbergastroenteritis. Guy. As me say, if you don't know them word, they blame your parents. Because then she say they go big school. I know my fault you go big school. Big like mine for learn them word. Him tell you say my dad is Satan. Him tell you say who him kill all the dog we run past him. Him tell you say him shot baby pan breast. Him fearless, him heartless, him a check for no boy, no girl. I am going to personally write a stern letter to the Kerosene Association of Jamaica. Asking them if they're not shame. Kerosene, you're not shame. Cause you walk and tell people say, oh my man not afraid of no boy, police or soldier. I could police or soldier in the business, I could have CIA mustard, he just kill that. That's not what we saw, Kerry. That's not what we saw. I tell you already say, them dopey back they wanna call 87 killy. Yes, then you pull up on you and then catch you off guard, then give you 100 rounds and go up on the corner and go laugh and talk about it. That is nothing, guy. We don't deal with them things, we deal with combat. Meaning shot go the way there and shot come back the way there. That's when you see who are who. Shot go the way there and shot come back the way there. And here was a chance. For sure. What they talk about? And they have denied the security forces the chance. Put them on a t-shirt. What's the matter, bro? You don't trust your skills? Your skill, remember? You're a bad man. Years of experience, killing much people. How much time the board and go about place and shot all innocent people? Going about them business, fire, be a wild shot. When tell them about beryllium, be a shot down the road. Pat. All granny get it down the road. Go back and tell people, say, oh, yo, I'm in a business about nobody, dog. I want to tell you. Any boy can get it. We just pull up on the corner and just spray a shot. I want to tell you, dog. One time I go up and jump out of the car, dog. I say, I want to get her when I'm just shut on her, dog. I want to tell you. Killy, pull up. Down a cherry tree lane, all 7-year-old dead. 7-year-old. One time I didn't want the firepower. And no shot now come back off of them. And 7-year-old get it, lie down. Cool. On the ground. Don't look up in the building on the live. What kind of bad man I use live? Kind of bad man on TikTok and Snapchat and Instagram. Voting gone live. When my vlogger boy? So you want on vlogger? This is pathetic. I'm flabbergastroenteritis. This is why people say look at you but you make fun of the gunman them. This is why, because me know all them stay in a real life. I've seen many of your favorite 87 them take them last breath. This is how them go out. None of that tough talking don't exist. Them behave like that because 99% of the time, the person with them are go for kill now have a gun too. And if the person have a gun, them catch them by complete surprise so them can't even use it. So they face little to no resistance. It's when something face resistance, you know how strong it be, you know. You can build a wall in your house and left and say a good wall. But if you really want to test the wall, lean upon it. Rest it upon it. Then time you go and know where it make out of. You can build one bar in your house and screw it upon the wall. But if you really want to test it, try do some pull-ups on it and you go and see what it make out of. Add weight, add resistance, add force. Add some force. Mass times acceleration. Add it. Then you will see what is what. When these 87s are challenged, imagine you say you love bus shot and be a police pull up with be a gun too. So now you go bust more shot, anyone bus shot, you gone on TikTok and flabbergasted arthritis. What you worry about, dog? Dead, you don't feel that they want to you start top banks, you say, you know. Afraid for dead, if you afraid for dead, then afraid for kill. Or if you're afraid for dead, I ain't afraid for kill. You see, this is what I'm telling you all the time, you know. Our man 87s being LIQs, they might kill enough. But this whole heap of cold-hearted, ready for war monster where they go on like, they're not built like that. They're not. One order and Stone Crusher and them boy there is no Hamas and Hezbollah and them sitting there. There no Mujahideen and them boy. Them you build different. Them and they can't wait for dead. Cause I tell you say, him have 2,000 eagle eye wait for him. When them money look out of the window and they see all 15,000 Israeli soldiers, they say, yeah. At this miller wait pan. You know long me there I lock my rifle for the day. Them man they believe now, them believe now. You don't believe now nothing but hype and excitement. All them want to do a shot, be unarmed people and then go to dance, go pose up on table beside the liquor and talk about my bad man. No guy. What you want to do? Clog up the justice system? We done clog up already. What you want to go sit on the jail house? We done full up already? No guy. Run out. You tough, right? Oh, all them Babylon boy there. Yo, me lit down police a gun. Jail house full already, man. Jail house full already. Do us all a favor, bro. Don't worry, remember I said nothing to your unicorns justice and all them people are gonna make nice for you anyway, but don't worry about that, man. Just run out. You tough, right? You tough, bro. Remember March spent top banks? All of that. I'm just flabbergasted enteritis. Me can't believe what me see. This is not what I hear Badman say. When them up on the corner, that's not what him say. So now the TikTok that was originally one little fun and joke something for picking and them thing there is now being used for literally commit murders upon it, and then when time man get catching a spooky situation, him now jump on the TikTok live because him afraid for doing job. So then they on TikTok live because everybody look, see, me not nobody nothing to see, me surrender stuff, everybody look, see, I can't believe I say kill it, in my God. I use TikTok for make it go down on the station. But Badman no go station. Remember? Because they want everybody to see, me not do nothing, you know, say then kill me, say, me surrender me, you know, say, somebody call unicorn for justice, then them say, see, me give up. Please don't hurt me. Please. Then you tell me, say, the killy start sound like them victims, because that's how them victims sound. When them bust down Charmaine Rachi and Joey Flinch door, when them pull up in a cherry tree lane and them see a 7-year-old baby, pregnant woman, a ball a beg for their life, they have no mercy, but them get it. See a TikTok, when the lucky data never cut off right away. Matter of fact, when the lucky it wasn't the right team pull up. Because certain teams have things in them bag where can make the room they get real dark. Where even TikTok can't see what go on. But that's another day still. I'm just flabbergasted. I don't want no man tell me nothing more about no badness. You're not built like that. Not built like that. This what I talk about when you bad like Saddam and bad like... No bad at all, bro. Just LIQ and impulsive. Yes, and you can bush at and kill people. Because they can't defend themselves. If they are alive or try to stay alive, it has to be studied. The Jamaican 87 have to be studied. Them kill enough. And them kill for little and nothing. But this whole part talking like say they want Terminator and know their heart cool. And not afraid of no boy, and afraid of nothing and just run up. Trust me, a unicorn need. That's why I've been making fun of them for years. Because I know them in real life. Them ball for them mother when the first 556 touch them. And the QA tell them, say, you are not dead man, no worry, I'm gonna make it. All if I'm fingernail get grazed, I mother Buffy, I can't call my from Buffy. Buffy, blah, 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 blah. So them son. In a real life. I'm just flabbergasted. Show me which party you ever seen a man we say the man a real militant man. Or in a business boner boy. If I depend on life, but guys, I'm going live because guys, I'm a Mujahideen warrior, guys, and outside there's like some US forces, guys, and I don't want to get hurt, guys. So guys, guys, tax and roses, guys, tax and roses. Yeah, I don't want to get hurt, guys. So I'm just gonna stay in here, and that way when they can't stay me now, get in trouble. And if they come here, then hurt me, guys. These Irie Saxons are a walking circus act. I'm going to truly and say circus gone Irie, man. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.